everyone, this is me Dr. Akshat Pandey. Hope all of you are safe and doing good. So finally we are about to host this year's IRACON 2021 physically. What? Did you guys hear me wrong? No, this virtual platform for IRACON 2021 is not just a virtual thing. Trust me, this is one of the most coolest thing I have seen amongst all the virtual platforms this year. I know you all must be fed up of attending so many webinars since past 2 years and must be thinking that no God please बहुत हुआ. I just want to go outside and meet and greet people, develop networking, have fun. Do you know what? This portal for IRACON 2021 is like as if you are roaming inside a huge convention center where you have so many things to do and not just have to attend those lectures. It's much more than you must have imagined an online portal could be like. You must be wondering how. So come on and join me in this virtual tour of this amazing not only academic feast but a wonderful entertainment package our team has designed for you all. So this video is for each and every one of you and I request you all to watch the complete video till the end, as this platform is so easy to explore and I am sure you will fall in love with its user friendly features and next level virtual experience. Best thing about this is you all can access to the sessions of IRACON even after days of completion of IRACON. So by chance if you miss any lecture, no need to worry, you will have access to all those lectures for rest 90 days. So we will begin with the basics. As soon as you open the main page of IRACON Virtual Connect 2021, you will enter into this beautiful web page where if you will scroll down, you will get to meet our organizing committee. And I suggest you guys not to miss the adapting the normal video that has been created by our team. The video emphasizes how COVID-19 has changed our lives both professionally and personally, isn't it? So now, if you will again scroll up and click on this home page icon, you can easily see all the stalwarts of rheumatology and the people behind IRACON, the list of EC members, organizing committee and scientific committee members. Next to it is abstract and poster presentation. So guys, the most important part here is the registration thing here. So you guys need to register as soon as possible now if you haven't yet, as the countdown has already begun and we don't have much time left. So on this page you will get to see the fee structure and early bird registration thing, right? So next you need to click on register on virtual conference and then follow the directions accordingly. You can register yourself easily on the platform. So once you get registered, you need to click on the login virtual conference link and then it will ask you to enter your first and last name as well as registered email ID. You will get an OTP to login and as soon as you put the OTP, directed straight away to the online platform for IRACON 2021. So you need to put your LinkedIn details, Twitter handle, Facebook profile too, as this will very well help others to connect you on these social platforms. And similarly, you can find others or make new friends and add them on social medias. So after all, IRACON is all about meeting and greeting people, make new friends, develop new knowledge, and this is the best platform to project yourself to the world of rheumatology. So now you can very well see this screen and I should suggest you all to do the most important thing before doing anything else is to go to your profile first and fill in all the details, especially put up your designation and a good looking picture on your profile along with the interest. So I'll tell you later in this video why putting your interest in this group is important for us, but you guys make sure to fill in all the details on your profile first. Meanwhile, if you see this blue circle on our left hand side of the screen down here, it's the help button where you can type anything you wish to and our team will reply or connect to you ASAP. Now, if you have completed the bio data, then go again here and click over the schedule thing right here. And you will see all the sessions here with the dates and you can check the sessions as per dates and select and add all your favorite session to your calendars or favorite list. You know, for example, if you click on the 4th December and you don't want to miss the inauguration thing, of course you don't want to miss the inauguration, you need to click on the inauguration and then you will get the option to add it to the calendar. You can add it anywhere as per your ID you use frequently like Google, Yahoo, Outlook, and even you can download the calendar too. So you will even get the link on your calendar directly that you can open and it will redirect you to the official inauguration video. How cool is this, right? So similarly, if you want to see specific lectures, like if you want to search by time, that is morning, afternoon or evening lectures, you can click on the time and select as well. You can simplify your search for the lectures as per channel. For example, if you click here on the channel part, you can search as per CME, green channel, IRA review course, pink channel, purple, or as per workshops too. Or if you click on the recommended part, it will help you get the best lectures or sessions for you, but only and only if you have fulfilled your biodata. While like I told you, if you are interested in vasculitis, then you have to fill the biodata with vasculitis, and it will automatically bring out the best vasculitis chapters for you whenever you click on the recommended part. So the next part is community. Another very interesting part of this conference is the community part, where we have so many things to do other than just attending lectures. So like if you are getting bored or feeling drowsy due to too much of rheumatology, so now you click on the community button here and go on to the first part, attendees. You can search any of your buddies attending IRACON or any specific doctor or person you wish to contact. You can get here easily. What you need to do is either you can directly type directly here the name of the person, or if you wish to see the doctors with common interest, you can just click on the special interest thing and meet the doctors who are there for the same group. But this is only and only possible if you update your biodata, because you can only see them and they can only search you if you have updated your biodata with all the necessary details required. For example, if you click on spondyloarthropathy, you can see very well here on top Dr. Alakendu Ghosh, because during registration he had filled his biodata, as you can appreciate from here, and that's why you can easily be visible for everyone here. Also, you can search by groups, and if you wish to search by industry experience, you can search through that too. Another very interesting thing is the discussion. If you guys wish few of your friends to meet and have a cup of tea or coffee together, you can click on the discussion part here, where you can get so many options to create your own private space and can invite your friends or colleagues for a friendly talk or discussion. You can check this part during the sessions, and you can find active groups here which you can join too. You will be able to see the people already inside the group, as their display pictures will appear here, and you guys can request them to join the group. Now, this is an amazing platform, much better than the conventional platforms that we use like Zoom and everything. Now, you click on the join part and then click on the next, check the camera settings and the microphone, and then click on the join the meeting and ask your friends to join it soon, and it will be like totally under your control, as it is a private room and you can accept the request for the people who you wish to accept. Also, you can join the active rooms of pharma people, where you can meet and greet them, know about new products or upcoming molecules, or discuss them about future events. The third very interesting thing here is the game part. As I told you, IRACON 2021 is much more than the rheumatology for the rheumatologist. This is a very interesting part they have created here for everyone to make IRACON super interesting. So it has different challenges for everyone, and these challenges will start right from the day you register for the conference. The more you are active and shows your presence in the conference, the more interact during the sessions you are, ask questions, do the post-session surveys, provide feedbacks, meet the industrial people, schedule a meeting with them, whatever you do here, and more you spare your time here will give you more and more points and help you stay on the top of the leaderboard. The one who will be on the top at the end of the week will be mentioned on the official page of IRACON on Twitter and other social medias too. Isn't it exciting? So see, I told you this year's IRACON is as similar as the conferences we used to attend physically. So once you are registered, you will have so many things to explore, and I am sure you won't get bored at all. So don't wait and register yourself right now and keep exploring this amazing portal and stay on the top of leaderboard right now. In my next video, I would be explaining how to use the IRACON Kini app on your smartphones. See you all soon. For now, bye bye.